Hello friends, welcome to Oracle 26 AI new feature video series. In this video, we are going to learn about a new feature introduced as part of update and delete starting from 26 AI. The feature is about from 26 AI onwards, we can use direct join based update and delete statement. Suppose if you are from a completely different database background, I'm sure that you would be already using this feature as part of the other databases because most of the other databases already supporting this direct join based update and delete. However, Oracle started introducing this starting from 26 AI only. Okay, to understand better, I'm just going to show you two examples, one for update and one for delete. And I'm just going to show you the same example in 21C version as well as in 26 AI version so that it is easy for us to understand what the specific join based update I'm talking about here. Okay, let's start with the demo. So in left side of the window, I have connected to Oracle 21C database. In right side of the editor, I have connected to Oracle 26 AI version. Okay, so to understand better, I'm going to take two examples. One is for update and another is for delete. Let us start with the update example. So here is a table called T_employee table which contains 4 columns: employee number, e-name, department number and department name. The department name column I intentionally kept it as null because we are just going to update using a simple update statement. And here is a department table T_department where each department number have a name and the location detail. So now the expectation is I want to update the employee table with the corresponding department name for the corresponding department number. For example, in this case, we want to read the department numbers corresponding department name like accounting and we need to update it here. Okay, until previous version, what we generally used to do is we'll simply write an update statement like this, right? Like we'll update the employee table, set the department name column, read the department name information from the department table for the matching department number between the employee table as well as the department table. First, let me execute this update statement. Right, the update statement has updated all the 16 record. Let me commit, informations are committed. Let me query from the table. As expected, the department information, that is department name information, we successfully updated it here. So here what we are doing is we are simply using a subquery, right? Because until previous version, we will not be able to directly join the table in the same update statement itself. However, starting from 26 AI onwards, we can join the employee table and department table directly as part of the update itself. Let me show you the new update statement here. Okay, so in 26 AI also I have created the same table, that is the employee table with the department name information. I just kept it as null. So what we are going to do is we are just going to read the department name from department table and we are just going to update in the employee table. But here we are going to use the direct join instead of the subquery based update. Let me write the update statement here. Update T employee. Let me give alias as e. Set e.department name equal to d.department name from T_department. Let me give alias as d, where e.department number equal to d.department number. That's it. Right, now let me just execute this update statement. Right, now if you can see 16 rows got updated. Let me commit the information. Let me query from the employee table. As expected, all this information got updated. So this is what the new feature is all about. So in this case, if you see, we are directly joining the employee table and department table as part of the update statement itself. However, this type of syntax will not be supported in 21C version. Let me just copy and try to execute the same update statement in the previous version just for our understanding, because this though this will not work, I just want to show you that this type of thing will not work in the 21C or in any previous database, right? As expected, this join based update will not work in the previous version because this is the new feature introduced from 26 AI onwards. Right, now with this, let us move to our second example of direct join based delete. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the same example. We have the employee table and we have the department table. Now my expectation is I want to delete all the employees from the employee table whose department doesn't have a valid location. For example, in this case, we have like department number from 10 to 50. Out of that, few of the department doesn't have any valid location. So in this case, if you see, department number 40 and 50 doesn't have any valid location, right? So any employee who is associated with 40 and 50, we need to delete. So in this case, we have 2 employees who are working in 40 and 50, we just need to delete. So until previous version, what we will generally use to do is we'll just delete from employee where department number in, we'll be just first getting the list of department who don't have a valid location, right? Suppose if I execute only the subquery will list all the department whose location is null, and then we are using this as an input to our main query, and then we are deleting the employees who are working in 40 and 50. Let me just execute this delete statement. 2 rows got deleted, right? Let me commit this information. Let me query from the employee table. Now, as expected, the last 2 employees who were working in department 40 and 50 got deleted, right? This is how we used to write until 21C version. Now let us see how to do exactly the same thing in 26AI. Now if you can see here, I have already written here, instead of doing a subquery based delete, I'm just using a join based delete. I'm just simply joining the employee table and department table, and then I'm just putting a location equal to null, right? Now let me execute this delete statement. Right now, if you can see, 2 rows got deleted. Now let me query from the employee table. You can see only 14 records. The last 2 records got deleted. So this is the new feature. So in fact, I'll just show you by executing this delete in the previous version. Of course, it will not work, but I just want to show you this. Now, if I try to execute this type of join based delete, obviously we'll get an error from the previous version, because this is all about the new feature with respect to delete and update. That is, starting from 26AI onwards, we will be able to use a direct join based deletes and updates. If you have learned something new, please like this video. If you want any questions to be answered, please post it in the comment section, or you can drop to this mail ID. And thanks a lot for watching this video.